And action!
This is not the type of thing that I would be doing every Tuesday night. But tonight is not a typical Tuesday night. Why do I keep saying typical? Yeah, well, as you can see, I'm playing a video game. Or so it seems. And I'm not that good at video games. I'd probably be doing this on a Tuesday night, and this is pretty good.
What's that? Pause. Oh yeah, I'm a Jedi Master. I ate Yoda for breakfast. What do you have for breakfast? Because you can't get this. Come on. You can't get this. I'm a Jedi Master. I'm a Sith. Ouch! Ow! 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 Ah! Have you ever noticed that's what happens in scary movies, where like it starts off with a sound or a noise or something, and they always have to check it out, and when they do check it out, they end up like being all brave, like why can't they just stay in a nice comfy room where they are, hide under the covers like I did, and call 911 or something, because I have a lightsaber. That's like probably the only reason I would want to fight a killer, is because I want to test out my lightsaber. And it is 11:57 at night. I know it's probably not that late for you gamers, so spectacular gamers, but it is for me and my family. I'm the nocturnal one, surprisingly, and then my little sisters, they're the goody goodies who go to bed. And I had to thank them because they stayed up with me to right now. They stayed up with me for we worked on this video for an hour and a half simultaneously. English is crappy now. And yeah, it starts with a noise, and then there's that phantom glance, whatever, and then there's that whole dragging into darkness out of the flashlight or camera's view. And that's probably my favorite part, because my sister afterwards said, "You're heavy," and she said that it was her favorite part too. But yeah, I hope to see you guys on the 15th. Samantha. Okay. I hope to see you guys on the 15th, the LVA crew, especially Guillermo, because he's awesome. And this is Chunny, by the way. He's my special teddy. He's my panda bear, a very Asian panda bear. And yeah, my little sisters are starting to snooze out on me. Get out of my room, now let's sleep in here. Oh yeah, we're sleeping. Ouch! Ow! Holy crap! Ow! Okay. Ow! What are you doing? You're more than one direction, stupid!